The public doesn't realize how dangerous being a train conductor on a commuter rail or a commercial railroad is. Conductors are called upon, men and female, are called upon to throw switches in the yard. Sometimes these switches have to be thrown when they're frozen or in a rainstorm to get the train into the yard. Also, conductors are responsible, obviously, for the safe exiting and entrances of commuters onto a train. Sometimes that's difficult if there's a lot of passengers or the platform is icy or there's a curve in the track where a conductor can fall into the gap just by doing their jobs. So it's a very it's a job that the public doesn't realize can cause disability to a worker.